happy and next day po sa inyo. At God bless. At mag-iingat po kayong lahat. Bow.
Okay, ayan guys. Thank you sa lahat. Happy Alex Day and more Alex days to come. And God bless.
And stay happy and stay beautiful.
And stay hungry for
Tama
food
yan.
like me.